beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a pick card reading on what does your person want from you, what do they want from you or from this connection in general. Alright, so I also want to add that I'm open for personal readings and chakra cleansings. If you wish to book a reading or a cleansing with me, message my email, which is written in the description box down below. Alright, so I picked out 3 piles for you today. For the first pile we have the rose quartz crystal. For the second pile we have the amethyst crystal, and for the third pile we have the amethyst cluster. Alright, so choose whichever pile or crystal you feel drawn to the most, and I'll see you in the readings. Alright, hey guys, those of you who chose pile 1, the rose quartz crystal, this is your reading. Okay, so what does your person want from you? Let's find out. So let's see. We have the Two of Wands. Alright, so I'm definitely seeing a third party situation over here for some of you guys. Alright, okay, we have the World. Okay, so I feel like your person wants to finish some sort of business. Okay, like there was some unfinished business between you guys and you guys just left it there. So your person definitely wants to finish that and then want to come to a conclusion where you guys are at the same path and you guys have made a decision. Like the whole energy of your pile away is like about making a decision. All right, so they definitely want you to make their like lives better. Like they feel miserable. Okay, like their life is completely miserable right now without you, and they just wanted to make them your first priority is what I'm seeing. Okay, because without you they actually feel really incomplete. They don't feel fulfilled. With your presence in their life they feel really fulfilled, they feel really happy. So they also want you to make them happy and feel like they want you to make them feel fulfilled by actually accepting their offer. Maybe they are coming up with an offer basically for some of you guys. Okay, so they want you to take the lead in this connection is what I'm seeing, because there was some sort of heartbreak in this connection definitely for some of you guys. They just want you to be the one who makes the move first. Okay, so it's like they want you to like ask them to be clear. Okay, and I'm definitely seeing a third party situation. Maybe you might be in a third party situation or they might be in a third party situation. Okay, so they are definitely letting go of that third party situation if they are in one, and if you're the one who has a third party situation, they want you to like you know, break the attachment with that person so that you could be with them. Okay, that's what they want, and they just want you to like, they just want to get to know you. Okay, they want to get to know you better because I don't see a lot of communication happening between you guys. Okay, so let's clarify the Two of Wands. We have the Ace of Wands and we have the Ace of Cups. Are you kidding me? Okay, so it's like some of you guys might be at the fork of the road or they might be at the fork of the road, and the third party situation is also trying to interfere if you guys are in like a third party situation. They just want you to choose them, and the third party situation wants you to choose them. Like this is like a really confusing energy. Okay, but I'm just gonna like get this straight for you guys. Okay, like they want you to like confess your love to them because they know that they love you. They are really confident in their judgment, so they're like they're not they don't have any doubts about what they feel and what you feel, so they are ready to take this leap of faith, and they want you to take the leap of faith as well so that you guys will be even. Okay, it's like they want you guys to be even in this connection. They don't want any ups and downs in this connection because they want to make this work. They want to like give you everything, okay, and they want the same from you. Okay, they want you to give them everything. Like if they are being honest with you, they want you to be honest with them. It's like that sort of a situation, okay? Like they want equality between you guys in this connection or relationship, whatever, okay? So it's like, you know, don't take this the wrong way, but I'm just, you know, getting this energy that your person, okay, wants you to actually give them a gift or a rose or something. I don't just like shower them with gifts and like, you know, appreciation. I don't know why I'm getting that energy, but your person definitely wants that, okay, because they long for that. I mean, they have given you a lot, so they want it back, okay? Like they want to be even in this connection is what I'm seeing for some reason. Okay, just a second. Just a second, let's just clarify the Emperor card. We have the Lovers. Okay, so what did I say about like equality over you? Oh my god, this is like resonating again and again. This is like confirming what I just said, okay? So they don't like want you to withdraw your energy. They don't want to scare you away, which is why they're taking this slow. They're a really fast person is what I'm seeing. They hate to like sit around and wait for things to happen. They want to like take action, but they want you to do that for them, okay? Because they have already done a lot is what they feel, so they want you to come forward with your actually intentions and all of that. So that's what I'm getting. Just a second. Like, yeah, like they want to confess, like they want you to confess your love to them. They want you to make them feel on top of the world is what I'm saying for some reason, okay? I don't know, like seriously. They want you to express your love and passion towards them is what I'm seeing, okay? So yeah, we have the Hierophant. So definitely like they see you as someone who's like really important in their lives, okay? For some of you guys, maybe if you guys did something to this person, maybe this person feels like you did something. They want like a sort of like an apology from you if you guys did something, or it could be vice versa. Maybe you expect an apology from your person. That could be the case, okay? Let's just clarify the World card over here. So yeah, they don't like, they want you to stop blocking this connection, stop running away, because you guys are trying to move on from this connection. This person is not giving up, and they don't want you to give up too on this connection, because they are really serious about their intentions and about their actions. So they definitely are not giving up. They're not like quitting this connection, because they are committed and they want you to be committed the same way they are, okay? It's like, you know, it's like really weird, but that's what your person actually wants from me, okay? Just a second. We have Door to Value, okay? So definitely like they want to like share a home with you, okay? They want you to share a home with them, okay? You have indecision. This is like my Two of Wands card, like being at the fork of the road. So okay, maybe in the past someone made an indecision and they had to suffer the consequences, which is why that's like that apology matter came up in your reading. I wasn't understanding why that came up, so now it's like making sense. So for some of you guys, this might resonate. Oh my god, we have the World again, okay? So your person actually, you know, sees you as like the world, the whole world, okay, is what I'm trying to say. Oh my god. So they want you to appreciate them, okay? They want you to appreciate them and to like make them feel victorious by confessing your love to them is what I'm seeing, okay? That's like the overall energy that I'm getting. Just a second. We have the Fool over here, so definitely they want you to like communicate and like get this going, okay, is what I'm seeing. Like they want you to like submit to them is what I'm saying. They like want the upper hand is what I'm seeing, okay? They have like this sort of ego problem for some of you guys, okay? So this might resonate for some of you guys, but they definitely have a lot of passion for you is what I'm seeing, okay? So we have Peaceful, okay? So this is like the World card to me. So definitely like your person feels peaceful when they're around you, and they want peace in this connection, okay? They want peace with you, all right? And we have Dreamer, okay? The Dreamer card over here. This is like the new deck I got. It's like so cute. I'm like obsessed with this deck, okay? Like seriously, like just look at the holographic effects. Like wow, The illustrator is so talented, like seriously, I just love it. Sorry guys. So let's just get back to reading. All right, so the dreamer card over here, right? This person definitely dreams of you. Okay, this person definitely dreams about you. They're having dreams about you, and I'm also seeing that maybe you are also getting dreams about this person. Okay, so definitely this person is really serious about the future, and they just want you to make the first move because they want like the upper hand in this connection. They want to be dominant. So yeah, it's like this ego problem that your person has. Okay, so just to say, yeah, they have big dreams about this like connection. Okay, and they know that this is gonna work out. They're holding on to a lot of hope for the future. Okay, and right now they might be feeling lonely. Like I just said, I was getting that feeling like your person is like really miserable, so they want you to like end their misery by talking to them, by communicating to them, because you fill them with light, you fill them with happiness, you fulfill them, like I just said. Okay, and it's like your person expects a lot from you. It's like, you know, not a normal connection that you guys have. It's like a really serious connection for your person and for you guys. For some of you guys, you are running from this connection. It could be vice versa. Okay, and this person is trying to stop you. Okay, this person has done enough. They feel like they have done enough. Okay, but now they want you to like come forward. Okay, and we have this card over here. They want you to remain true to your intentions, and they want you to be honest about your feelings. Okay, because they know that deep inside you actually feel the same about them as they feel about you. Alright, so yeah, I guess this is all that I have for you guys today. I hope it resonated. If it didn't resonate, feel free to check out the other parts in this reading or check out more videos on my channel. So love you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye. Hey guys, those of you who chose Spiral 2, the Amethyst Crystal, this is your reading. Okay, so what does your person want from you? Let's find out. Okay, so you have the Queen of Swords. Okay, you have the Five of Wands, and we have the Fool coming through. Okay, and we have the Ace of Cups. Wow. Okay. Okay, I'm just, you know, getting this energy that your person first of all wants you to preserve them. Okay, like, you know, tell others. Okay, like make this relationship known, like, you know, making it official. For some of you guys, you are in a situationship with your person. It's like no strings attached is what I'm seeing for some of you guys. Okay, but you know, you guys are like, your person is not looking for anything serious, but now they have fallen in love with you is what I'm seeing. Okay, with the Ace of Cups, like they're attracted to you emotionally and physically is what I'm seeing, and they want you to be honest with your feelings. Okay, maybe they have come towards you with some sort of like confession. Okay, they have confessed to you for some of you guys, and you guys had an argument because you weren't ready for like this commitment, or maybe it could be your person who wasn't ready for a commitment because you didn't, like, they felt immature or something. Okay, that might be the case for some of you guys, but just, you know, let me just explain the situation. Okay, just a second. So your person wants you to cut off every obstacle which is in the way. Okay, like they want you to take charge is the vibe over here. Okay, they want like a new beginning. If you guys had an argument with this Five of Wands, I'm definitely seeing some sort of argument taking place. Okay, maybe you guys were in a relationship with this person. Only for some of you guys. Okay, just keep that in mind. This is only for some of you guys. Some of you guys were in a relationship, but then you guys like ended up on the wrong like step, which is why you guys had this argument and all of this, you know, chaotic energy occurred. Okay, so what I'm seeing is that this person wants to mend things with you, and they want you to mend, like, to start the process. Okay, so it's like maybe friends and family were like an obstacle in this connection. Okay, is what I'm seeing for some of you guys. Okay, just take whatever resonates. So there was some third party situation which led to like separation, or just, you know, some sort of arguments. Okay, so what I'm seeing is that, okay, this is really really confusing. Just a second, this is a really rare situation that I'm capturing over here. I mean, this is a spread that I'm not seeing. Just a second. Okay, so definitely, like, your person wants you to like be dominant, okay, be in charge of this connection, because they want you, because they believe that you could do this, you are more stronger than they could ever be. Okay, so that's what they think and feel about you. So definitely they want you to actually like start a new beginning with them. Okay, so yeah, definitely they want you to message them, call them, or whatever, because, you know, for some of you guys, you are cutting them off out of your lives. Maybe some of you guys are walking away from your person and they want you to stop walking away. They want to stop you, okay, and they want to tell you that they love you. Okay, maybe they are coming through with this like energy where they want to confess to you, they want you back and all of that. Okay, that could be the situation for some of you guys. They just, you know, hate it that you guys are just being so cold towards them. They don't want you to be cold anymore. They just want like everyone to know that like you're theirs and they're yours, basically, is what they want. And they want you to announce it for some reason. Okay, just a second, let me just clarify the Queen of Swords. We have the Judgment card. Yes, okay, you guys had a history. Definitely you guys had like some sort of chaotic history, which is why your person wants to mend things with you. It's like they can't like live this life. It's like, you know, this person is a little dramatic, okay, for some reason. This person is like feeling really low right now. They feel really sad. Okay, so definitely want you to regenerate the connection, okay, revive this connection, because they just hate it being like, they just hate it without you. Okay, so let's just clarify the Five of Wands. We have the Page of Swords. Okay, so yeah, I'm definitely seeing like some gossip taking place in the community, okay, in the society. Many people are gossiping about the arguments that you guys had. It's like you guys were really popular. Okay, maybe, you know, some of you guys might be popular, your person was popular, okay, is what I'm saying, or you were popular, but this person made a wrong decision, is what I'm saying, and they want you to like forgive them. Okay, if they did something wrong, they want you to forgive them and they want to have a new start with you. Okay, but what I'm also seeing over here is that your person wants you to like ignore these, like I just said, there were some sort of barriers that were like toxic. Okay, like it could be the community, or it could be friends, family, whatever. There was some like interferences, some really big influences which caused your connection like to disrupt. It was like jeopardizing your relationship. Okay, but your person wants this victory with you. They want this Four of Wands with you, because they definitely see you guys as the one. Okay, they definitely see you guys, you know, as their like hubby, wifey. Okay, with this Four of Wands, some of you guys might even be married to your person. You guys got separated. Okay, but this person definitely has thought of marriage with you. Okay, but definitely I'm really getting that some people are against of this connection, and your person wants you to ignore them, because they still pass off like comments, like toxic comments, and they just want you to like ignore them. Okay, because you might even get some like reactions out of other people when you're with your person, for some of you guys, or you're near your person, or whatever. Some toxic people are trying to jeopardize this connection, is what I'm seeing for some of you guys. Okay, let's just clarify the Fool card. Okay, and just remember that this is a reading for many people. Okay, this is just a general reading, so just take whatever resonates. Okay, let's just clarify the Fool card. Oh my god, we have the Ten of Cups. Like literally this explains the Four of Wands card that like popped out in your reading. Wow. And we also have the Temperance card. Okay, they just want balance with you. They want like some sort of recognition of this connection. It's like they want to claim you in front of everyone. They want to be like, I don't care what you think, like F off, I'm just gonna do what I'm gonna do. That's what a person wants to do in front of other people, and they want you to do the same, is what I'm seeing. Okay, and they want this Ten of Cups with you. Like this is like domestic happiness. This is like building a home with you, building a stable foundation with you, okay, this happy home with you. And they want you to choose them, okay, like them over everything is what I'm getting, because they are also, maybe they chose you over many like options is what I'm seeing, so they want you to do the same. This might be like a specific situation for some of you guys, just take whatever resonates, but they definitely want communication from you, okay. Maybe some of you guys are walking away from this connection and your person is really scared of losing you, so they want you to come back, okay. It's like, look, what was I just talking about? I was literally talking about running away, and look what came out. Wow, 7 of Swords. So definitely, like, some of you guys are running away, or your person is running away, and they are actually doing some thinking, and they have realized that they want you permanently in their lives, okay. So just a second, let me just get some more cards. Let's get some more cards. We have community. Oh my god, like seriously, there's some gossip going on, okay, in the society, in your society, about this connection. Some toxic people trying to interrupt your connection, your peaceful connection. So this came out reversed. Door to personal happiness and healing, okay. Just a second, we have walking away at the bottom of the deck. So yeah, this person might have walked away from some of you guys, okay. I'm really sorry. So this might not work out for some of you guys, but for many of you guys, I'm seeing that there's some sort of like hope coming through in your reading. So your person definitely wants the 10 of Cups, and that 4 of Wands popped out, so definitely there might be a chance that you guys could be together, okay. So we have women holding a heart, so definitely your person wants you, regardless of your gender, your person wants you to be really honest about your feelings, okay. They want you to tell them how you feel, okay. We have all tied up, okay. So right now your person knows that you can't do anything in the situation, and this person also can't do anything in the situation. They feel like the situation is almost hopeless for some of you guys, okay. So they're still like looking at the bright side, and they're hoping that this might work out, okay. They're still holding on to hope for some of you guys, okay. So definitely, like, this connection was like too overwhelming for your person, which is why they walked away. Maybe you walked away because of that reason, or it was just that many people didn't approve of this connection, which is why they were like forced to move on or something, because many people were like against this connection for some of you guys, okay. Or it could be that you guys have been really cold to your person because of what they did something to hurt you, or they like listened to others like above you, okay. So that might be the case for some of you guys, and now they want to apologize is what I'm seeing, okay. Now we have generosity, so they want you to be generous towards them, be caring and loving, and like understand what they have to say to you, because they have a lot that they want to tell you, okay. They want to apologize if they did something wrong, and they just like, look at this man, like it's like he's like apologizing to someone. So this person also wants to apologize, okay, to someone like you, sorry, not someone. What am I saying? So definitely, like, they want to apologize to you, they want to make it up to you, okay. We have Leo energy coming through. Oh my god, just look at that. You know, I just got these new cards, like, and I feel like they're like so beautiful, they're breathtaking. I just can't stop looking. I'm sorry guys. So yeah, I mean, this Leo energy is coming through in your reading, so definitely, like, your person might be a Leo or you're a Leo, but they're definitely determined to make things work in love, okay. So for some of you guys, I'm definitely getting that this might not work out, because there are many people who are against your connection. So but if this doesn't work out, okay, for some of you guys, there's a new person coming in, okay. Maybe you guys were too unique, maybe you guys were just so special, which is why everyone like was envious of you. That's why they didn't want you to be with your person, because you know you were perfect for your person, more than perfect, okay. But they were just envious, okay. They were envious, they were immatures, okay, immatures. And yeah, just a sec. But let me tell you that your person has a lot of passion for you, and your person wants a graceful future with you. They want like a powerful like change to take place in this connection, so you guys could actually be together. So if this person made you feel unworthy about yourself, this is like message from spirit that your uniqueness is always perfectly lovely. Okay, it's like, you guys are unique and you guys are just amazing in your own way. You don't need to listen to those toxic, okay, I can't say it right now where I can't curse, so yeah, like, just ignore them. Okay, just ignore if someone is like, trying to like disrupt your peaceful life. Okay, because there are many people who are jealous of you is what I'm seeing. Many people envy you because you guys are so beautiful, so handsome, okay, whatever. But many people want to be in your shoes because your person is like so obsessed. Okay, like they're almost obsessed with you and they want you. Okay, so they definitely want you. They have a lot of passion for you. So yeah, well, I guess this is all that I have for you guys today. I hope it resonated. If it didn't resonate, you're free to check out the other piles in this reading or check out more videos on my channel. So love you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye. Hey guys, those of you who chose pile 3, the amethyst cluster, this is your reading. Okay, so what does your person want from you? Let's find out. Alright. We have the 9 of Pentacles. Oh my god, we have so many peacocks coming through in your reading. Okay, I just revealed this card. I'm gonna reveal this card and I'm gonna show you guys what I actually got for you guys. Oh my god, we legit got the peacock in your reading today. Okay, like 2 times. Can you believe it? Okay, so definitely your person sees you as someone who's like really unique. Okay, but that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about what do they want from you. Alright, so let's find out what do they actually want from you. What does your person want from you? Just a second. We have the King of Pentacles. So it's like they want you to take a step back from this connection and think, okay? And they just want what's best for you. They don't want what's best for them. They don't want to fulfill their wishes. They want to fulfill your wishes is what I'm seeing. Because they care about you really deeply, okay? Because they haven't, I don't see that this person has actually like, for some of you guys, they have not like told you about their feelings yet, but for some of you guys they did. Okay, maybe they rejected you for some of you guys, or it's just that they had to take some time alone, some time off. All right, but to be honest, they actually did this for some of you guys because they want to see your true potential. They want you to be the best you could be, okay, in this connection. They want you to be abundant. They want you to be able to provide in a like committed relationship. They want you to be a stable provider for like a happy family that you want with them is what I'm seeing. Maybe some of you guys might be married to this person, okay, but you guys are really unique, okay, is what I'm seeing. You guys are just, like really rare to find in like a person's eyes. So what a person wants you to do right now is like to take a step back and to just think, okay, is what I'm saying. I already said that, right? So they just want you to grow and expand your boundaries, expand your talents, expand your potential, because they want the best for you, okay? So let's just, they just want you to be independent, strong, and self-sufficient. They want the best for you. They care about you, okay? Definitely. Let's just clarify the 9 of Pentacles. We have 3 of Wands, and they're waiting for that transformation. Actually, they want you to transform because they don't want to they just don't want to waste your time, okay, waste your precious time, because this person has seen your true talent, your true uniqueness, which is why you actually stand out from other people. So they actually want you to grow and to bloom, basically, okay, because they got a glimpse of your real talents, of your potential, and they see that you guys are really rare to find and you guys are really talented. It's like this is a pile that I've never experienced before. So definitely your person wants to your person is ready to wait for you is what I'm seeing, and they want you to wait for them, okay, because they don't want you to actually move on and be with someone else is what I'm seeing, okay, but they definitely want to wait for you. They're doing some really huge future thinking, really deep thinking about the future is what I'm seeing, because they have plans. They definitely are making plans. They're making strategies, And they also want you to know that it's like, it's not that they don't like spending time with you, or they don't like hanging out, or they don't love you or anything. They do have feelings for you, they do care about you, but it's just that right now they're in a situation where they can't do anything about this connection. Maybe they are trapped with some financial like insecurities, and they need to be abundant as to like make this connection work, okay? Because if they want a stable home, if they want to start a family, they have to be like self-sufficient, right? At least so that they could be able to contribute financially and physically in this connection. So they don't feel like they are ready for this because they have some problems. They're going through something right now, okay? And they're waiting for the right time so that they could actually tell you this, okay? So we have the Eight of Swords. They see you as the moon. They see you as something which is like higher than them. They want you to reach your best potential, okay? And they also want to be abundant. They also want to be really self-sufficient. It's like they want to meet like when you guys have evolved, when you guys have transformed, both of you guys. And some of you guys are working physically on yourself. Some of you guys have started like going to the gym, working out, or just, you know, trying to, or like, you know, doing an online course, sorry. Or it's just that you guys are doing something, okay, right now to expand your knowledge or expand your experience in certain aspects, okay? So definitely with this Two of Cups over here, they definitely have a lot of love for you, and they're just waiting for the right time, okay? They want you to focus on yourself. That's like the overall energy. Let's just clarify the King of Pentacles, okay? Your person doesn't feel good enough for you is what I'm seeing, okay? We have, just a second, let's just clarify the King. Okay, wait a second. We have the Six of Wands in reverse, okay? So they don't feel like they're ready. Like I just said, they don't feel ready, okay? Which is why they want you to retreat. They want you to take some time alone and balance your life out with yourself, okay? Because they care about you more than themselves, okay? Because they have all of these feelings for you. They are really serious, pretty serious about this connection, okay? They're not doing this for fun. They actually are serious, okay? So with the Six of Wands in reverse, they don't feel like right now is the right time to do this, okay? So for some of you guys, this might not work out, so it's better to move on. For some of you guys, there is a chance that might work out, okay? Whoa. We have the card Door to Spirits. So right now they're like going inwards. They are resting and rejuvenating, and they want you to do the same. They want you to hold on to like patience, because they are going through some financial constraints right now, which is why they're not like, maybe they're not disclosing this sort of matter in front of you. They don't want to like worry you or, you know, disturb your life with their problems, okay? That could be the case for some of you guys, but your person is like, okay, we have Woman holding a heart in reverse. Like some of you guys actually made a confession to your person, but this person like wasn't like that receptive, okay? And they said that they needed time to themselves or something for some of you guys. But for some of you guys, you actually reached out to them about your feelings is what I'm getting, okay? And your person wants you to actually focus on yourselves again. They don't want you to waste your time on them. Okay, let's just get another card. We have Contract. It's not like they are not like serious about this connection. They are damn serious, okay? They want you to actually be committed to them. They want like commitment, like permanent, like they want you to be in their lives permanently is what I'm trying to say. Like marriage, okay? Marriage. They think of marriage with you. Maybe some of you guys are married or were married to your person, okay? And you guys took a break or something, I don't know. Like some of you guys might have been in a relationship with your person, but they just had to like call things off for some time. Like they took a break for some of you guys. Just take whatever resonates, because you know I'm getting mixed messages. I always get those messages in pile 3 for some reason. We have Angel of Strength, okay? So definitely like they want you to be strong. They want you to be independent again, and they want you to balance your life. They want you to take care of what's like what's imperfect, or what's like, nothing is imperfect about you. It's not I'm not just saying that you guys are not like perfect. You guys are perfect the way you are. You guys are unique and you guys are beautiful, but this person just wants you to like solve all of your negative like aspects that you have in your life. They just want to meet you when they are ready. Okay, they're not ready right now is what I'm seeing. Okay, so okay, just a second, let's just get some more cards. Yeah, so we have the retreat card coming through. So definitely, like I just said, that your person wants to retreat. Your person wants to take some time off and do some thinking about this connection, and they want you to do the same. Okay, they just want something stable with you is what I'm seeing, but they are not ready for this. They don't feel ready. Okay, which is why they are taking a step back and thinking about this in a mature way. Some of you guys are dealing with a younger person, or some of you guys are dealing with, maybe you are elder than this person, but I'm not getting that energy. For some of you guys, this person is elder than you. Okay, for some of you guys, and I'm getting mixed energy. So for some of you guys, this might not like happen. Okay, this might not like, you guys might not meet again. Okay, maybe there are some like barriers between you guys. Okay, but you have this 5D connection with your person. You guys are in contact with each other in the 5D, like through, like, you guys have a psychic connection for some of you guys. Okay, is what I'm seeing. Or it's just that this person is like, they have seen this like, okay, wait, I'm getting the specific message. They want you to heal yourselves. Okay, they want healing for themselves too, but they want to like make you happy by walking away is what I'm seeing. They are walking away for some of you guys, but for some of you guys, they might return, because right now they're definitely not ready. I was really getting that energy that they're not ready about this connection. Okay, so we have this peacock card over here. Okay, just a second. This card is like so beautiful. I'm like addicted to this deck. I just got it a few days ago. It's like amazing. Just look at that holographic like effect on the card. It's like amazing. Like the illustrator is so talented, I swear to God. So yeah, sorry, I just got distracted. So yeah, what I'm seeing is that your person wants you to shine, wants you to be in the spotlight. Okay, so they just want you to shine. They just want you to like embrace yourselves as you are. Maybe some of you guys are insecure about your bodies, about your looks, or about your abilities, and your person wants you to be strong in that like matter, in that like characteristic of yours. They want like some sort of breakthrough from you for yourself. Okay, they just want to see you grow is what I'm seeing. Okay, so they have this love for you. They're so in love with you that they want, like, this is really deep. Your person has really deep feelings for you. They're so in love with you that they're letting you go. They're letting you take time for yourselves. Many people are selfish and they just want like their person to be there for them 24/7, but your person is not like that. Your person will leave you if you tell them to leave. Okay, that's the sort of person that you guys are asking about, and your person is like really thoughtful. Okay, wow, that's just amazing. That's just amazing. So your person is like 1 in a million. Okay, is what I'm seeing. Not many people are like your person. You guys are lucky to have such a person in your lives. Okay, so you have blushing bride coming through. Again, they want what's best for you. They want your intentions and your heart to be known. They want you to reach your success. Okay, they want you to they want to see you climb through your success. Okay, climb to the top basically. Okay, it's like the top priority to see you guys bloom, to see you guys advance, to see you guys upgrade yourselves. Okay, is what I'm seeing. So your person is definitely in love with you. This is like love over here, some really deep love. Okay, like that's just amazing. Your person is so in love that they're just willing to let go of you for the sake of yourselves. That's just amazing. This is true love. seriously. And for some of you guys, this might not work out. Okay, I'm getting twin flame soulmate vibes from this like pile over here, but this might not work out for some of you guys, like I just said. But for many of you guys, it might work out. Okay, there's a possibility, and I'm always like, you know, saying it, always writing it in the disclaimer that these are just the current energies, and it's up to your person, okay, if they actually want to come back or not. Okay, the current energies might change and it might be positive. Okay, this person might make a move, but right now I don't see anything. I don't see that anything is gonna happen in this connection, okay, in the next few weeks, okay, or maximum months. Okay, nothing is gonna happen, and that maybe some of you guys might have a casual talk with your person, but nothing more than that. Okay, I don't see anything happening. Okay, they're thinking for the best of you guys, both of you guys. Okay, so yeah, well, I guess this is all that I have for you guys today. I hope it resonated. If it didn't resonate, you're free to check out the other parts in this reading or check out my videos on my channel. So love you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.